What looks good today, Leo?
I'm thinking coffee. You?
Maybe an iced tea for me. It's warm.
Good idea. I need something strong.
Ready to order?
Yep, I know what I want. Welcome! What can I get for you? Hi. I'll have a large Americano, please. Large Americano. Got it.
And I'd like a medium iced green tea.
Medium iced green tea. Anything else? So that's one large Americano and one medium iced green tea.
Yes, that's right.
Your total comes to $9.50. Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Payment successful. Your receipt.
Thanks. It won't be long.
I hope not. I'm thirsty. Order for Leo. Large Americano, medium iced green tea. That's us. Thank you so much. Enjoy your drinks.
Looks delicious.
Let's find a comfy spot.
This table is perfect.
Yeah, nice view.
This green tea is so refreshing.
My Americano is just right.